Welcome to EnglishSpeakingCourse.com. Today's topic is playing on the beach conversation. Listen, read, and then repeat.
Come on, Jack, set up the net quickly. Yes, I'm on it. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. There's plenty in store for us using the same net. Very true. So, what are we gonna play now? There are quite some games. Like what? You know, we can play volleyball, badminton, and even throwball. How about starting with badminton? To start with, I would suggest volleyball. Why? Don't you like badminton? No, I like it very much. Isn't it too windy? The shuttlecock won't stand the wind as it's lightweight. Ah, I get you. Maybe we could play volleyball then? Where are the other people? They are on their way. That's cool. Oh man, I just realized I forgot to get the ball. Don't worry, I carried mine. It's in my bag. I'll go and fetch it. You saved the day. Hmm. I don't want to get exhausted within the first 20 minutes of our game. Let's take a break. Okay, you know what? I'm actually feeling hungry. Same thought, bro. But there aren't any restaurants here. We don't need restaurants, do we? Have you brought some food along? Of course, mate. I never traveled this far without food in my backpack. You are so sorted. What have we got here? Sandwiches, burgers, chicken rolls, and everything we need to fill ourselves up. Marvelous! This is like a treat. After a couple of minutes, we can get back to playing, right? Yes, sure. And the sandwiches are delicious. The burgers too. Yes, sure. Who made all this? My mom. When I told her we were planning visiting the beach, she told me that we will need to take some food along with us because there aren't a lot of restaurants for quite some distance. Wow, that means your mom knows this place pretty well, huh? Yes, she visits this beach quite often. It's her favorite one. Okay, I'm done eating now. Let's get back to playing. Maybe we can play some throwball now. Sure, and our boys should be here any moment. They will be surprised to see the arrangements. With the games planned, the courts ready, and savor the delicious snacks.
Did you like my video? If yes, then please follow these steps in an order. First, hit the subscribe button. Once it grays out, you will notice a bell icon show up next to it. Hit this bell icon too, so that you always get all the latest updates from this channel in your email. And then like and share my videos within your network.